Change your conception of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself and they will confirm the change. So opens Chapter 1, The Law and Its Operation, from the enlightening audiobook Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. This chapter delves into the intricacies of how our mind and our feelings intertwine to shape the reality we experience. It's a tale of transformation, of the power held within each and every one of us to reshape our world. The journey begins with an exploration of consciousness. Imagine consciousness as a vast, expansive ocean. Each of our individual realities, our personal experiences, are but drops in this grand ocean. And yet these seemingly insignificant drops hold a mirror to the ocean itself. Our individual experiences reflect our collective consciousness. But how does this happen? How does our consciousness shape our reality? The answer, Goddard posits, lies in our feelings. Our feelings, he suggests, are the catalysts for change. They are the architects of our reality. Consider for a moment a potter at his wheel. The clay on the wheel is our world, shapeless and formless. Our feelings, then, are the potter's hands. They shape and mold the clay, giving form to our formless world. In the same way, our feelings shape and mold our reality, giving form to our experiences. But it's not enough to simply feel. Our feelings must be guided by a clear and distinct idea. This idea, this conception of ourselves, acts as a blueprint for our feelings. It gives direction and purpose to the energy of our emotions. And so we become architects of our reality. We, through our feelings, have the power to change our world. But remember, Goddard warns, this power must be used responsibly. We must be mindful of the feelings we cultivate, for they will inevitably shape our world. So the key takeaway from this chapter: you have the power to change your world. Your feelings are not mere reactions to the world around you. They are powerful tools that, when guided by a clear idea, can reshape your reality. In the words of Goddard, your world is your conception of yourself pushed out. So change your conception of yourself, change your feelings, and you will change your world. And so ends the first chapter, The Law and Its Operation, from Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. A tale of empowerment, of the power of feelings, and of the potential each one of us holds to shape our own reality.